Hello students, myself Manoj Kumar, and today I am going to start the last video of this chapter 12. This is the part 6, and in this video we will discuss about the assessment 10, and which has two parts, question bank 1 and question bank 2. One by one I will try to understand how can we solve this type of the questions. Now, first question is here. Which of the following would you use to measure the weight of the rock? Weight of the rock. Which instrument is used? Here is the scale. No. Compass. No. Balance. Yes. Thermometer is yes. Scale, which is used to measure the length. Compass, measure the angle and construct the angle. And the thermometer is used to measure the temperature. But balance is used to measure the weight. So answer will be balance. Okay. Now, what will the question number 2 say? Which of the following units would you to use to measure the weight of the bicycle? Which unit is used to measure the bicycle? Bicycle is a heavy thing, so that means not a gram, not a milligram. Yes, we use kilogram unit to measure the weight of the bicycle and not a mice. Now here is the question number 3. Which of the following is not equal to 1 kg? Not equal to 1 kg. Here is the question, not equal to. So one by one, when we adding all the objects, all the weight and adding them, if the total weight is 1000 gram, that is the 1 kg, then the answer is not possible, and those which is not equal to 1000 gram, that is the 1 kg, your answer. Now in the first question here, 500 gram, 500 gram, adding the 250 gram and 250 gram, 250 gram, and here is the weight, it is 100 gram. Okay, when we adding them, all the things we are adding them, we makes the 1000 gram, and we know that 1000 gram makes the 1 kg. So that means this answer is not possible because it is equal to the 1 kg. Okay, now go to the next. Here is the 200. Here is the 200 gram, 200 gram, and the plus the 200 gram, and after that 200 gram, and now 100 gram, and the last is the 50 gram. Now 50 gram. When we adding them, we get the 200, 200, 400, 400, 200, 600, 601 means 700, or 700 plus 50, that is the 750 gram. And 750 gram is not equal to the 1 kg, so then answer will be B. Okay. Or now if you want to adding all the objects here, 500 gram and 500 gram, which makes a 1000 gram also, and when we adding all the objects here, the weight of the objects, it makes the 1000 gram also. So answer will be B, which is not equal to 1000 gram, that is the 1 kg. Okay. Now what the question number 4 says? If 5 apples together weigh 1 kg, the weight of 5 apples is equal to 1 kg. And what is the weight of each potato? Sorry, uh, 1 kg, the weight of each apple is 1 apples. What the question say? 5 apples. 5 apples weight. 5 apples weight is equal to 1 kg. 1 kg means 1000 gram. Okay. 1 kg means 1000 gram. And what is the measurement of 1 apple weight is equal to 1000 gram divided by which number? Yes, 5. We get 200 gram. That means our answer will be B, 200 gram. More things value of the more things is given, and to find the value of one thing, we will divide. Okay, and 1 kg change into the gram, and after when we divide 1000 gram by 5, we get the 200 gram. That is one apple weight. Okay, and it means answer will be B. And now another question: 10 apples weigh as much as 2 watermelons. 10 apples. What is the question number says that 10 apples weigh is equal to 2 water watermelon. 2 watermelon. Okay, 2 watermelon. Okay, and what will the weight of 25 apples? So 25 apples. To find the 25 apples, we will find 1 apple's weight. If you go to this here, 5 apples weight is equal to 1 watermelon, 1 watermelon. Okay, 1 watermelon. Here is 5 is the half of the 10. So half of the 2 will be 1. And now what the question says? 25 apples. 25 apples is equal to 5 apples, 1 watermelon, 10 apples, 2 watermelon, 3 apples, 3 watermelon, 15 apples, 3 watermelon, 20 apples, 4 watermelon, 25 apples, 5 watermelon. Okay, watermelons. So our answer will be, which answer is there? Yes, 5 watermelons. The answer will be C. Now, question number 6. If 3 potatoes together weigh 450 gram, the weight of 3 potatoes. So that means 3 potatoes weigh is equal to 450 gram. What will the 1 potato weight? 1 potato weight is equal to, how can we find that? When we divide 450 gram by 3, we get the 150 gram. Okay, you know very well how can we divide it. We have already learned that in the previous videos and the previous classes. Now here is answer will be B, 150 gram. Now boys, and another question is based on your common sense. Which of the following would weigh closest to the 70 kg? 70 kg, yani it means the weight near about 70 kg. A butterfly, 70 kg is not. A dog, no. But a cow has the 70 kg maybe. And now a car is more than the 500 kg also. So our answer will be a cow. And another question 8. 3 kg 60 gram is equal to 3 kg 60 gram is equal to 3060 gram. When we change into this gram, because our answer will be given in the gram, so we will convert 3 kg 60 gram into the gram. So answer will be 306 gram. I have already learned that. I have learn to you how can we convert 3 kg 60 gram into the 3 kg 60 gram into the gram. 3 multiplied by 1000, and when we adding this 60, it makes the 3060 gram. Okay, so answer will be C, 3060. Now boys, go to the next type of the questions. There are the 2 bags of the rice, A and B. B is heavier than A, and by how much? So B is heavier than A. So to find the bag B is how much bag B is heavier than the A, we will subtract 9 kg 50 gram and a 5 kg 350 gram. So we will subtract 5 kg 390 gram from the 9 kg 50 gram. So then the answer will be 3 kg 660 gram. And now another question is subtract 2 kg minus 280 gram. When we subtract 2 kg minus 280 gram, we get the 1720 gram. And now this is the answer. 5 kg is equal to 3 kg 375 gram is equal to what? So 5 kg minus 3 kg 375 gram. When we subtract 3 kg 375 gram from the 5 kg, we will get 1 kg 625. You have already learned that. How can we subtract? Now here is another question which is related to the subtraction. When we subtract this from this, we get this answer. Okay. Now go to the next question. What the question say? Question back 2. Write suitable unit kg or gram to measure the weight of your pencil, gram, a shoes, gram, your pencil box, gram, a pile of the 40 notebooks, piles, yeah, that is the makes a kg. A bag of rice, kg, a office table, kg, and the television set, also kg. And now the question number next say, the addends in each problem are the same. Find the addend in each case. Here is the same, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. And now write these two numbers, which makes the 1 kg, and both the numbers will be same according to these questions. So when we adding 500 gram and the 500 gram, we makes the 1000 gram, and the 1000 gram makes a 1 kg. Okay, and both 500 and the 500 are equal. Now here is the 1 kg also. Now we will arrange the 1 kg in the 4 parts. When we adding 250 gram to 4 times, we get the 1 kg. 250 plus 250 makes the 500, and 500 plus 250 750, and 750 plus 250 we get the 1000 gram, and 1000 gram makes the 1 kg. Okay. Now circle the waste estimate. Waste estimate: a car weighs about 1000 kg, a mobile phone weighs about 100 kg, 100 gram, a birthday cake weighs about 2 kg. So this is the very simple questions. It makes it increase your common sense. Now here is the another, an inland letter weight about inland letter, that is the letter. Here is the 10 gram. A newborn baby weighs about the 3 kg. Fill in the empty boxes. 500 gram, which numbers is come here, which makes the 1 kg. When we subtract this 500 gram from the 1 kg, we get this number. Okay. Now you have already completed this type of the questions. So this is very simple. And now here is the comparison of the two type of the numbers. We have already learned that in this type of questions. But we go to the question number 6, 7, and the 8. What the question number 6, 7, and 8 say? Now here is the question number 6. At a railway station, a coolie carried a suitcase weighing 26 kg 756 gram and a bag weighing 19 kg 554 gram. Find the total weight carried by the coolie. Here is the word is the total. And how can we find that? When we adding these two type of the weight, these two type of the weight, suitcase and the bag. Now write the statement is here. A coolie carried a suitcase weighing 26 kg 756 gram. A coolie carried a bag weighing 19 kg 554 gram. And the total weight, when we adding both the weight, we get the 46 kg 310 gram. Now this is the very simple problems. You have already learned in this type of the questions in the exercise 51. Now question number 7 say, what the question number say? For a dinner party, 50 kg 485 gram of the weight, 9 kg 675 gram of rice, and 8 kg 955 gram of the sugar were purchased. Find the total weight of the goods purchased. What is the total weight? When we adding all the things, very simple. Weight of the wheat 15 kg is 485, weight of the rice 9 kg 675, weight of the sugar 8 kg 955 gram. When we adding all the things here, we get the 34 kg 115 gram. This is the weight of goods which is purchased for the party. Okay. Now this is the last question of your assessment. 8. A lady who weighed 84 kg 336 gram joined a weight loss clinic. A lady whose weight 84 kg 336 gram, after that he joined a weight loss clinic, the clinic where anybody lose or gain the weight. So, what is the purpose to join the weight loss clinic? To reduce the weight. As a result, she lost 8 kg 678. Lost weight 8 kg 678. How much does she weight now? What will the what will the what will be the weight now after losing the weight? So now, first of all, we will write the weight of the lady 84 kg 336 gram. The she lost weight. How much lost weight? 8 kg 678 gram. After losing the weight, what will the weight now? She weight now. When we subtract lose weight 8 kg 678 gram from the total weight 84 kilogram 336 gram, we get the 75 kg 658 gram. So it means the present weight at this time after losing the weight will be 75 kg 658 gram, and this is the simple method to subtract the any two objects. Now guys, okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope you understand the assessment 8. In the next video we will discuss about the next chapters. Thank you.